What's up guys, Jeremy Mateo here, and today's video is a very special video because it is about AI. And what's crazy is that I've actually never made a video about AI or using AI, mostly because I don't feel like I'm an expert at it, and I feel like I'm not qualified to teach anyone or make videos. But I said, screw it, let's make a video of everything I'm using it for, because I am a business owner, I'm a real estate agent, real estate investor, and maybe someone who's watching this who wants to get into AI, maybe it could give them ideas, maybe it could attract someone who is in AI and they could help me with some suggestions. But yeah, I'm just making videos documenting everything that I'm doing and posting it. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how AI, specifically Claude AI, Claude Code, whatever you wanna call it, has been quietly helping me run basically half my business, and how I'm still just scratching the surface with using AI. So if you're new here and this is your first time watching any of my videos, what's up? My name is Jeremy Mateo. I'm a real estate broker and investor here in Hawaii. I help many clients, including myself, buy, sell, and invest in real estate here on the island of Oahu. And if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you. Now, quick disclaimer before I get into all of this in this video. Again, I am new to Claude and using AI. I'm not that smart, guys. I'm not some tech bro who's been coding since high school. I'm just a real estate guy, just some dude here on the internet who, started messing around with Claude. And, I was drowning in my emails, my leads, my follow-ups, my content, everything, and everyone is saying like, you need to get on this AI or else you're gonna fall behind. So that's what I'm doing here. Essentially, I'm trying to adopt AI to use it as a tool to help me be more efficient in my business and make more money. And at the end of the day, I'm still learning, every single week I figure out there's like something new with AI and I just gotta learn it. So this video isn't like some kind of like masterclass or anything. Like, this is just a video basically saying, hey, this is what I'm doing. This is how it's helping me run my business. So hopefully you watch this and it sparks some ideas and helps you with your business. Or if you're watching this and you have any suggestions, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. I'm gonna tell you about everything that AI and Claude is doing to help me out with my business and make a lot of money. But stick around to the end. I'm gonna tell you about all the tools that I mentioned in this video and how I wrapped it into one giant tool to make everything even more efficient. All right, let's get into it. The first thing is efficiency. This is the one thing that just like changed everything. I have Claude scanning my email every 5 minutes. And if it's important, he summarizes it and pings me through my Telegram bot with the summary. This is important because I don't have to sit at my desk and hit the refresh button or go on my phone and refresh everything and look through my emails to see if there's anything important. I could be on the road or with the clients or even at the gym, and I could get a Telegram message saying, hey, you got an email. It's some seller wants to know about a counter offer, or this lender wants an update on this, or this client, needs to know about this, whatever. And from that Telegram message, I can decide, okay, does this need my attention now or can it wait? And here's the cool part. You can use Telegram or, that bot, Claude, to draft emails. Like, I just message it on Telegram like it's a person, say, hey, say this, blah, 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 and then it drafts the email in my voice. And then if I want, I can tell it to send it. Boom, done. This one thing alone saved me so much time every week, and it stops me from refreshing my email and looking for important things. I programmed it so that if there's an important email for me that needs my response or needs my attention, then Claude will message me through the Telegram bot. It helps me a lot because it saves a lot of time, and that time being saved, I can spend it into other things in my business that actually move the needle, like being there for my clients, going on appointments, and even like in my personal life too, I can be more present because instead of having to refresh my email to see if there's something important, I know that I'll get a Telegram message about an important email. If I'm not getting any Telegram messages, that means I'm not getting any emails that's worth me looking at. Next thing is CRM. And for my CRM, I use Follow Up Boss. And if you're in real estate, you probably already know what Follow Up Boss is, but it's very powerful because, you know, any CRM, not just Follow Up Boss, if you're like me, I wasn't using it correctly. I just had like a bunch of people. I wasn't using it to make tasks or even put all of my clients or everyone I know into my database. But now that I have Claude, it does it for me. Once I connected Claude to it, it helps me organize all my leads, sort the hot ones from the cold ones. It keeps me accountable with my follow-ups. You know, it's like having a virtual assistant. So if I get a new lead or like a new contact, like I can just screenshot it. Like say someone messaged me on Instagram. I screenshot that, send it to my Telegram bot, say, hey, add this person to Follow Up Boss and add them to the buyer pipeline or the seller pipeline, whatever. And it automatically does that for me. If there's any notes that I have for a lead, I could just give that to the Telegram bot and it puts it into Follow Up Boss for me. Think about it like this. You know, every agent I know that, you know, keeps a mental list of leads or tasks that they know they should be doing. You know, like this is me, like I'm talking about me basically. You know, like a buyer that hasn't replied or like the seller that said, oh, follow up with me in like 6 months. You know, I usually forget about that because I didn't put it in my notes or I didn't put it in a follow-up task. Now, Claude keeps those leads alive. It surfaces them up back to me. It's like, hey, you got to reach out to this person. You put a follow-up task on this person. That way, all these leads that slipped through before aren't slipping through anymore. Essentially, Follow Up Boss is telling me who to follow up with. But before Claude, I would never do it. You know, now that I have Claude, it keeps me accountable. Third thing is marketing ads. Okay, this one like really blew my mind. So before Claude, I had never ran paid ads before. I never made ads. You know, my real estate business and like my flipping business, like it was all just organic content. Why? Because I had zero clue on how to make ads, how to run ads correctly. I didn't know how to target. I didn't know about ad spend, anything. Literally all my lead generation came from my Instagram and my social media, but it was all organic content. So one day I'm like, like let's try this out. So I went to Claude. I was like, build me a landing page for potential sellers looking to sell their home off market. This was for my flipping business. And boom, it built everything. The copy, the layout, the website, the lead capture form, you know, the whole thing. Then I take that, you know, I make a landing page and then I run meta ads to it and boom, Claude helps me write the ad copy, sets up the audience, you know, helps me create the budget, which is cool because like if I were to use ads before Claude, I would probably have to hire like an ad agency, pay them $2,000 to $5,000 a month to run ads. Now I am still getting used to running ads and that whole thing, but they are working. Leads are coming in, we're contacting them, we're sending out offers. One lead even turned into a listing, which is super cool. Fourth thing, this is the big one, content. With the content thing, you know, this is kind of like a grab bag, you know, mix of different things because Claude literally does everything. It's in every corner of my business when it comes to content creation. When it comes to social media, I use Claude for everything. It helps me batch content, write captions, brainstorm hooks, makes like the whole body of like YouTube videos, like the script. And you know, it knows my voice. I programmed it to basically recognize my voice. The way I did that is I wrote like 3 YouTube videos like how I normally do, which is just, you know, typing it out and how I would say it. Then I sent those scripts to Claude and it kind of like analyzed everything and it understood my voice. Now when I ask it to script things, it scripts it in my voice. Now I will say that, you know, when I do that, it's not 100% kind of the things that I would say, but it's close. Like I would say it basically does like 80% of the work, which is perfect. And like the last 20%, that's when I just go in and make small tweaks here and there. So the captions you see on Instagram, YouTube, same thing. Claude helps me draft, I tweak, and then boom, it sounds like me. That way, it doesn't sound like freaking like corporate AI slop and it's like, okay, yeah, why is Jeremy saying this, you know? In fact, the script I made for this video was like 80% of Claude, you know? I script the main thing and then I add my tweaks here and there. And obviously when I'm filming things in my voice and my personality in like my style. Woo. Now, when it comes to making graphics, this is an interesting one. This is the only section of like social media that I don't use Claude for. When it comes to like graphics or ad creatives or like anything visual I need to post, I actually use ChatGPT for that. I don't know why, but like despite being like the most superior platform out of all the AI platforms, Claude sucks ass when it comes to making graphics. For ChatGPT, on the other hand, really good. Hey guys, really quick, if you're getting some value out of this video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and if you like and subscribe, or even better yet, share this video with someone else or a friend, it really helps my channel grow, and I'm really trying to grow this channel. So thank you guys. All right, back to the video. Next thing is research. This is also a really big thing, and I've been getting hooked on it lately. Like, I've been using it for anything I need when it comes to just information that I need to know. Like, for example, so if you didn't know and you watched my other videos, like, I am moving to Dubai at the end of this year. Moving to Dubai requires me to know a lot of information and logistics, and I use Claude to research all of that for me. Things that I need to know for the move, like, you know, shipping my pets, understanding what vaccines they need, how to get my real estate license in Dubai, how to get my Emirates ID, you know, all the visa paperwork, taxes, neighborhoods that I need to look into, that I might live in, everything. All of this research that I need to know would probably have taken me like a few weeks of searching because of my ADHD. But with Claude, I just like tell it what to look for. I tell it, hey, I'm gonna do this. Tell me everything I need to know and what to do in what sequence. And then boom, it does all of it for me in an afternoon, probably like in 30 minutes. Some extra stuff I've used Claude for was like to build pitch decks for private lenders. And you know, to be honest, I've never really had to use a pitch deck because most of my private lenders come from my sphere and from my Instagram. So they already know me, like me, and trust me. So I don't really need a, you know, pitch deck per se, but it's always good to have just to be professional and show like, hey, like I'm really about my shit. And Claude, like I asked it to make one and it made a really nice professional looking one in like 10 minutes. Okay, cool. So everything that I've mentioned in this video was like efficiency stuff and like, you know, like having tasks, like my calendar, you know, content creation, all my ads and all of that. All of that's like different things, like the CRM, all of that's like different things that I like, different websites that I need to go to. But thanks to Claude, I made one website that encaptures everything. So literally a few weeks ago, if you're in the AI space, Anthropic, if you didn't know, the company that created Claude, they released a new version of Claude, or a system, which is called Fable 5. This was a very superior version of Claude, but unfortunately, the government shut it down because it was deemed too dangerous. For what? I don't know. However, when it was up for like about 2 days, I managed to use Fable 5 to create me that efficiency website that I was just talking about. This website, which I call the Command Center, literally has everything I need. It helps me keep track of my tasks, my calendar, my deals in my pipeline, my content creation process, analytics for my ads, even has my financial goals, and keeping track of all the private loans I raise. And when it comes to that too, it even like shows me how much I should have in reserves, when loans are maturing, when to reach out to private lenders to see if they want to roll over their capital. I even programmed it to have a house flip analyzer, which is amazing. Having this command center was huge. So like I said earlier, I don't have to go to Follow Up Boss for my CRM. I don't have to go to Meta to like view my ads. I don't got to go to my content calendar. I don't have to look at my tasks. It's all in one place, which was a huge help. And that's basically the theme of all of this. When it comes to AI, at least for me anyway, Claude and AI, it doesn't replace what I do. It just helps me. It speeds up my workflow. And that's what I want you to take away from this video. You know, like if you think about it, like, look, I'm just one dude running multiple businesses here in Hawaii, you know, and I've got AI working alongside of me as a tool that's working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget things. It doesn't ask for commission, you know, it doesn't call out sick. It's just working. And like, I'm actually really super excited to be experimenting with Claude and AI because like tools like this really change the game. Now, like any agent, any investor, any small business owner, any hustler that's trying to make money and you have a vision, if you're not using AI or you're not using Claude, you are so behind. Like, I'm sorry, but like you really need to go get on this and level up. If you are powered by AI, you're basically having the solo operator energy, but you have a team of 20 with the cost of not even a fraction of that. Some people are kind of afraid that they're like, ooh, AI is gonna replace real estate agents. Honestly, I disagree. Like, this is just my opinion, but you know, mostly on the idea of real estate deals and getting deals, making deals happen in general, I believe that deals, especially the good ones, like off market especially, they're not done through AI, they're done through relationships. And you can't fake relationships. AI cannot do relationships, it's AI. So in my opinion, AI won't replace real estate agents, but a real estate agent using AI will replace a realtor not using AI. So get on it or get left behind. But like I said, I'm still learning. You know, there's 100 other things out there to test out, and literally there's like some new AI coming out every single week, and it's so hard to keep up. But I'm gonna keep experimenting, and if you guys like this video, I'll keep documenting, I'll keep posting videos. You know, if this was helpful, please drop a like, drop, you know, below in the comments of, you know, what you like or what you're gonna try. And if you're, you know, pretty advanced or you understand AI, please, you know, if you see me as a noob, I am a noob, but if you see or you have any suggestions, please drop it in the comments as well. Trust me, I am all open ears. You know, I want to be a master at AI. I don't think I'll ever be, but just helping me, you know, getting on this AI train, it helps me with my business and essentially helps me make more money. Lastly, if you're looking to buy or sell real estate here in Hawaii, shoot me an email at info@jeremymateo.com. Let's talk. I'd love to help you out. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.